Hey everyone, I'm Rachel from Desert Blossom Crafts and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a very special opportunity that I have for you. This is a freebie that I'm offering today only and only for people who watch this video. So here's what it is. For the past month, the Design Create Repeat blog hop has been happening and today's my day to share a free pattern. So as a part of that, my Aspen shawl is free. But I also wanted to give away an extra freebie for anyone who clicks over to this video. So if you follow the next two steps, you will be able to get a pattern of your choice completely free from my Ravelry shop. So here's what you have to do. First of all, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Second, all you have to do is use the coupon code I'm about to give you. Just use the code YouTube subscriber. Go back to Ravelry and add any pattern to your cart with that coupon code and you'll get it completely free of charge. This is my gift to you. I'm just starting out my YouTube channel and I'm trying to grow. So if you take advantage of this, that will help me and also help you. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you go get your free pattern.